Hi guys! Today we're going to be making a pine Christmas wreath. I like working with deco mesh, but sometimes it's nice to just switch it up and get something else on my craft table for my craft shows. So what I'm starting with is the 18-inch Christmas wreath from Michael's. This was on sale for $2 on Black Friday, so I grabbed two of them, just two. This is the smaller of the wreaths, and it's really flat, so all I'm doing is just sprucing it up here. So we will need a pine wreath. It doesn't matter, you can use a bigger one if you want to. I just like these smaller ones. I think they sell better. So we need that. You will need a hot glue gun, and you will need some ribbon. I am using this ribbon. I believe I got this from Big Lots. It's 18 feet. It's really pretty. They sold the same one at Joann Fabrics last year. I grabbed two of these from Big Lots because it was only $3. And then I'm using this guy from Dollar General. It's just Santa. He's really sweet looking. There's a big glare on him, but he was also $3. And like I said, he's from Dollar General. I grabbed a few of him and a few of the little snowmen that they had when they first came out. And then you will need Christmas ornaments. I have a whole big deep one here of shatterproof ornaments. So what I usually like to do first is place my bow. So let's make a bow. It appears, oh, okay. I think I'm at the end of my spool. Not quite sure why they bend it over on itself like this. So what we're gonna do for our bow is you're gonna cinch it right here like this, and you're gonna bend it over on itself and pinch. Then you're gonna twist this, because this is a one-sided ribbon. You're gonna twist it over so you're back to the pattern. If you were using double-sided ribbon, you don't have to keep twisting. So I think I'm gonna make this a moderately large bow. I'll see how far I can go with what I have here. So I have two. Again, every time you make a new loop, you just twist so you get your pattern back to the direction that you're going in. Oh, and you'll need pipe cleaners. I don't think to say that because that's really just a given for me. Okay, pipe cleaner. I think I'll be able to get 6 loops out of this. Yeah. I don't want to go too big on the bow, just because this is not a very big wreath. Okay. So I got 3 loops on each side out of it. So all I'm gonna do is hold this with my other hand. This is our bow. We still have a little tail, but we're gonna cut it. And I'm just gonna stick my pipe cleaner through here, and I use my fingers over here as a guide. You can use a bow dabber if you want, but I never have. So now I have it by the back, and all I'm gonna do is twist tight. So now you have a bow, and it's like that. And really, when you go to Ocean State Job Lot or Big Lots or something like that, and you're buying these bows that they have pre-made and you're paying crazy amounts of money for them, when you flip them over, all that they're attached with are pipe cleaners. So there is our bow. Kind of sad looking right now, but I'll spruce her up once she gets on the wreath. And the good thing about this wire ribbon is you can do pretty much whatever the heck you want with it. So all I'm gonna do is take my scissors and snip this little tail off the back, and we will create a longer tail, but with another spool. So I'm gonna take this, and I usually like to place my bow straight in the center or a little bit off to the left-hand side. I think that's visually the most appealing. So, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna make tails for this bow. And I'm gonna put that side down. Okay. So I think I'm gonna put this one to the left-hand side. So all I'm gonna do is take the pipe cleaners and there is only one wire on the wreath frame in the back of this. I'm just going to secure it to that one wire. So now we have this. This bow is looking really sad, but again, it's the same thing I tell my customers. It'll go down, but you can fluff it back up any way that you want it. So here we have this, and this is going to hang this way. So now we're going to attach Mr. Santa Claus. And he's meant to be an ornament, so all I'm doing is snipping the little piece of ribbon off that was holding him. And I will attach him. And again, I'm going to use a pipe cleaner, and all I'm going to do is cut 2 holes in the back of his material here and string the pipe cleaner through him. So now he has something to hold on by. So I think, yeah, we'll put him down here. I was going to put him closer to the bow, but I think it's going to look, oh, maybe not. No, let's put him closer to the bow. And we will do ornaments all down that side. So, most of the time when I do this, guys, I just wing it. There's really no set image in my mind. I just do it and I just make it. Okay, so there he is. So now all down this side, I'm gonna do Christmas ornaments, and we're really gonna load this because I have a lot of, oh, my back is killing me, guys. A lot of Christmas ornaments that I need to use up. So luckily he wasn't like a true red, and either is this. So I have these deep cranberry colored balls that I'm really just gonna pop all in here. I wonder, I can't zoom on this, I don't think. Oh, can I? Oh, there we go. That'll be a little bit better, I think. Okay. So I'll turn this around. Maybe if I turn this off. Oh, that's better. Or is it? I don't really know. We're gonna figure it out. So I think I like this color combination. It's like maybe like a rose goldish, not quite. This is a little too gold. We're not gonna use that. So let me pluck some of these out. It's a bit loud, guys. I apologize. I have some other shapes. Smaller ones, larger ones. These look like chocolates. It's very cute, but not the color scheme. Matted ones, I will use those. Oh, I like this one. So yeah, you get the idea of what I'm doing here. So all I'm going to start doing is taking my hot glue gun. Be careful with a hot glue gun, guys. I don't know how many times I can say that, and every time I say it, I still burn myself to death with this thing, especially since it's high temp. And now I'm throwing my soda. Okay, so we're just gonna, I go right around the tip and then put some on the tip. And the great thing about the pine wreath is it's gonna grab from all directions. So all I'm gonna do is start placing these on. This is Gorilla Glue, hot glue. And I suppose I like the pine wreaths because everything really just nestles into what we're doing. So I have some smaller ones here, and I'm really just gonna load this up with ornaments because, like I said, I have a ton of these ornaments that I've been sitting on for a couple of years now. Because every time I make a wreath from Dollar Tree with deco mesh, I can't really find anything that matches this color. So I jumped on the opportunity to do a pine wreath with this and this sweet little Santa Claus here. So I'm just going to go around, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to go around and just blast this with Christmas ornaments, and we will come back with the finished product. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. Here is my Santa Claus, and then I made one with a snowman that I also got at Dollar General. Again, these are the 18-inch faux pine wreaths from Michaels. And what I often like to do is make, you know, like the eyebrow method. They're sisters, not twins. So I like to make two similar wreaths with something slightly different on them, because a lot of people have two doors. You know, they have a porch door and then an interior door, and they like to put something on both. So instead of having something completely matching, you have something that's along the same lines, but just a little bit different. So I always try to make some sisters, not twins, for my craft shows. So yeah, made with the same method, same bow, same ornaments, except just one little varying factor, which is the little cute character that's on each wreath. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys will try to make these yourselves. They're super easy and very cute, very, very inexpensive. Have a good day, guys.